Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what credit score you need for SoFi. SoFi is an online personal finance company that offers a variety of products, including personal loans, student loan refinancing, and mortgages. When you apply for a loan with SoFi, they will look at a number of factors to determine your eligibility and interest rate. One of the most important factors is your credit score. While SoFi does not have a single, official minimum credit score requirement that applies to all of their products, they generally target borrowers with good to excellent credit. For most of their loans, a credit score in the mid-600s or higher is often a good starting point. Some sources indicate a minimum of 650 to 680 is needed for personal loans. It is important to remember that this is not the only factor. SoFi uses a proprietary underwriting model that also considers your financial history, income, and cash flow. A higher credit score will increase your chances of being approved and could help you secure a lower interest rate, which will save you money over the life of the loan. If your credit score is lower than the typical range, it doesn't mean you should give up. SoFi offers a pre-qualification process that allows you to check your potential rates without impacting your credit score. This is a great way to see where you stand and what options might be available to you. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.